What if I told you this blank water bottle could look like this, using nothing but heat and the design you made at home? Welcome to Vesthetics Academy, and today I'll be showing you how to turn a blank water bottle into a beautifully designed masterpiece. Let's get right into it. So after using Canva to create my design, I already showed you a video of how to use Canva to make designs in my previous post. You can go back and check. And this is what the design looks like after printing it out from my printer. It has to be mirrored so that it will reflect the way we want on the bottle. Okay, so I'm going to trim the design to be able to fit the water bottle appropriately without any excesses. Okay, because we don't want any gaps or any spaces. It has to lap perfectly well with the bottle. And then I'm going to use my masking tape to glue both edges of the designs together perfectly without any gaps or lapses. You have to make sure that there are no spaces. It has to be properly glued, no spaces, no lapses, so that it does not affect the end product of the work. Okay, so after this, I'm going to put my appropriate fitting into the tumbler press. I'm going to tighten everything up. Next, I'm going to put the appropriate hook and tighten it properly. Guys, if you're new here, please go ahead to click the subscribe button because there's a lot to learn. And if you are an OG, please do well to like the video. Thank you. So I'm done screwing and everything is properly fitted. Next, I'm going to set my temperature to 180 degrees for 60 seconds. I'm going to, after that, place my tumbler into the tumbler press and allow it to heat up. So after 60 seconds, we're going to keep it and allow it to cool off. So I've left it for like 20 minutes to cool off before I'm going to be unveiling. Can you see this, guys? Can you see? What a beautiful tumbler. Okay, this is so beautiful. Yeah, so it's as easy as that. All you need is to create your design, have your tumbler press, your printer, print out your design, and there you go. You can create something beautiful like this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching till the end. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and see you in our next video. Bye for now.